To create different design sizes in one Canva design, here on our Canva homepage, you can start with any design of your choice. Say we are starting with YouTube video. As always, I'm going to name my design. And now I'm just going to drag a video into my timeline like so. We started with a video design. So to create multiple designs inside this design, you see here where it says new, I'm going to click on it. It says add page. So I can actually add a sheet. I can add a doc. I can add presentation, whiteboard, social media, video, website. If you click on more, it's going to give you option for you to even customize the size of the design you want to do, or you can search for the design you want to. Say we want to add social media. I have all these options. I'm going to add this Instagram post here and I can start designing. I can as well resize this one if you have a Canva Pro account, or let's go to the page we added and we can also drag this video into it also. Now we have a video design and we have an Instagram post design. If you click this plus sign, it's going to take on the shape of the design beside it. But if you want it to take off the shape of this one, you hover your mouse here and click this plus sign. It's going to add the design size that is by the side to it. And if we still go back to add page type, you can choose the page type you want to add. You can actually pick a website, and we have our website design. Add section to your website. You start adding section and start building out your website all in one design. And when you're done, you want to export your design. When we click on share here and you click on download, and now if I click this drop down, you can now select pages you want to download. Select a page I want to download. Current page, I'll click on done. I can decide to download this as a PNG. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Do have a good one.